How to use MindMup. First, open Google and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Next, go to Google Drive. Click on New and scroll down and choose More. Then click on Connect More Apps. Type in MindMup and select MindMup 2 for Google Drive. Click Install and click Continue for the pop-up dialog box. Click OK for MindMup to automatically open MindMup files. To launch MindMup, click on the Google App Launcher in the upper right corner, or you can log into MindMup by going to your Google Drive, clicking New, scroll down to More, and click on MindMup 2. First, turn on autosave by going to File and click Autosave. Click Turn On. Double-click the center bubble to type whatever you want. To insert a child node, click on the parent and click Insert Child Node, or press Tab on your keyboard. Click Left Align Text to align the text to the left. To add a new line to your node, press the keyboard shortcut Shift and Enter. Repeat until your mind map is finished. You can click and drag to arrange the nodes around the mind map. To change colors of the text and the nodes, click on Change Node Style and click OK when you're done. When you are done with customizing your mind map, go to File, Download As, and click PDF. For orientation, choose Landscape. For page size, choose either Fit to Map or US Letter. You can leave everything else as default. Click Export and then click Download. In the upper right corner, click the Download button. Enter the name of your file and click Save. Make sure you save your file where you can find it, like on the desktop. Thank you for watching.